So galactic. So galactic. Yeah.
Starseeker salute, yeah. Starseeker salute, yeah. Starseeker salute, the general and the troops.
Hey.
Starseeker salute, yeah. Starseeker salute, yeah. Starseeker salute, the general and the troops. Hey.
Go it, I'm gone, go.
What's up, man? This your boy Southside Jones, General for the Starseeker Army. And I just want to let y'all know about my single, I'm So Galactic. And right now, you know, it's the first single I'm really dropping, you know, to get everybody's attention, to get a good buzz going. You can find it on my Reverb Nation page, www.reverbnation.com/Southside Jones. SOUTHSIDEJONES. You know what I'm saying? No F. No F. You know what I'm saying? And basically what galactic means a lot of different things. You could be drunk, like, damn, I'm so galactic. And you know what I'm saying? You could just feel like you just above everybody. So you just like, man, I'm so galactic right now. You know what I'm saying? It could mean so many different things, but mainly it means being above or out of somebody else's league. You know what I'm saying? So whenever you feel like you above somebody else, ain't nobody fucking with you or can't nobody compare to you, tell them niggas I'm so galactic. You know what I'm saying? That's what you tell them. Tell them Southside told you to say that.
Yo, atmosphere. Going, I'm gone, you can catch me throwing a peace sign. All count, get left behind. When it's time for me to get mine, the haters be the waiters for my paper. And it's dinner time, I'm lyric killing, hurting feelings, blood spilling with every line. I got that fire flow.
Hey. I also want to talk about my up-and-coming mixtape, The Temptations. I feel like it's going to be a good mixtape or whatever. I ain't going to go into too much detail because right now we're trying to push the first single, which is I'm So Galactic. And also, you know, I just wanna, you know, get a good buzz up. But we expect it to come out around the end of August, beginning of September. You know, we don't got no set date. You know how it is sometimes. These are like that. And other than that, after I'm So Galactic, the second single off the mixtape is gonna be On Call. You know what I'm saying? It's more of a song for the ladies. You know what I'm saying? You know how that is. Other than that, you know, just be on the lookout for The Temptation. It's coming soon. Go download I'm So Galactic right now. See the link at the bottom right here. Go download it. But go get that, man. It's for real. Support the local artists. Augusta, stand up. Let's go.